Today we're working on this 2000 Chevy Silverado 1500, and we're replacing the EGR valve. We got a code P0404, which is calling for a replacement of this EGR valve here. It's held on by two 10mm bolts, one there, and this electrical connector. And there's going to be a gasket under there too that you're going to want to replace. Pretty simple, straightforward. So this EGR valve, the connector is actually not even snapped in because you can see the plastic got real brittle and it broke. So on the EGR valve itself, it's broken there. So no big deal. The new one will have brand new plastic on it. So we just kind of basically just pull this tab up, slide it off if you have the intact piece. Should be able to just pull this up. Gasket's pretty old. It's, you know, breaking apart and stuff. But once you get that off, you basically just want to clean up the surface a little bit, maybe a wire brush. Make sure not to get too much debris in those holes. And you can see here on that EGR valve, a lot of carbon buildup. It's at the end of its lifespan, so we're gonna get the new one and replace it in there. Here's the brand new EGR valve and the part number for it. So just like how the old one came off, you want to put the new one on the same way. I went ahead and cleaned off the surface as much as I could with a wire brush. So now we can go ahead and just install the new gasket that comes with the new EGR valve. It's gonna sit just like that. See, the holes are lined up. And you just grab your EGR valve and place it right where the last one sat. So you just put it right there. All right, grab your hardware and reinstall the old hardware where it's supposed to go. Just go ahead and lightly snug it down with your impact, or if you have a ratchet, just use your ratchet. Now you just grab your electrical connector, plug it right back in, and that will be it for the install. So that's how you replace the EGR valve on a 2000 Chevy Silverado 1500. Till next time, guys, like, share, subscribe. Slick Car Repairs. Peace.